Hi, Matt Chinian here in my studio. Welcome. I just had an open studio. I want to thank everybody for joining along and the people that came and the people that just were there and made it really quite a lot of fun. It wasn't a groundbreaking thing or anything. We sold one little painting and we had about, I don't know, 15, 20 visitors on a weekend. Old friends, new people that I haven't met, and it was just great. And actually, I kind of like it that way because it's less overwhelming, which is what I wanted to talk to you about in terms of showing, because showing is always a thing. I don't know, I assume other artists kind of have a similar relationship to it. There's a big build-up. You work really hard, you put this together, whether it's in the studio or out in the world. Probably it's out in the world, but we have to do it in the studio sometimes too. So it's a big build-up. You pay a lot of attention. You put it out there. You send it out. You talk about it. And the days of the opening of the show, you put a lot of energy out there. And I know a lot of artists, a lot of visual artists are introverts like I am. So it's your natural place to kind of gain energy in a perfectly quiet way. And it's conversely a lot of effort when you go out and talk to people and do that stuff. And I like that a lot, but it does take a lot out of me. Anyway, inevitably after the show is over or the open house or whatever, no matter what the outcome, there's always a huge release. You just sort of, and it's inevitable. Artists go through this. I go through this it's a toe pattern. It happens every time. If you show, you get excited, you go out there, and there's a letdown. It happens. It's the way it is. I don't care if you sold everything, you're going to still have that experience that. And I don't know exactly what or how that happens, but it's something you just have to get used to. I mean, you just have to know that eventually you're just going to sort of regain some of your strength. You really need a rest. I mean, you're tired, usually and a lot of times you question stuff too about why am I doing this, and that's a very healthy thing, and it gives you a little time and space to then regroup and think about things. Think about what changes you want to make, or think about what are you going to do next? What is the next step in your progress or process? And it's all part of the artist's life. And I love the artist's life, but it's hard. It's not that easy all the time. It's not that easy. But that's been a day. I had a day. And today I'm gonna go back out and paint. It's an iffy day. It was just cloudy. The sun just came out, so it's one of those days. And yeah, we'll see what today brings. This is the next step is taking down the paintings from the show. By the way, they're up and they're on the website. The featured paintings are on the studio tour subheading. So you take a look at those. There's a 10% discount code on the newsletter. So if you would like, just shoot me an email or shoot me a contact. This is an email, and I can give you that discount code. It's good just for this week for these paintings that were on the featured show. I'm going to actually take them down from my wall so I can again have this full space as a studio, and because I want to start putting even newer paintings up and out. So thank you very much for making this happen. It really is a very wonderful and special thing. Take care now. We'll see you. Bye.